Ladies and gentlemen, it's my sincere request. It really needs a standing ovation for a beautiful theme which they performed. Once more, a big round of applause for these lovely kids with a lovely thought and with a lovely theme dance. And there! One there! Thank you so much, Jai Hind. Thank you for these lovely kids who has been given a beautiful theme to us. Yashas, Archit, Tarush, and in a color white are moving on to our next segment. It is a prize distribution segment for all the lovely kids, and to do the honors we have another chief guest with us tonight. May I please call upon Mrs. Jyoti ji. Please come on the stage to do the honors, ma'am, for being with us tonight. A big round of applause. And we have the prize here. Shreyas, he is the dynamic kid of the year. Shreyas. Okay, he's absent. And the next kid is a big round of applause for this, ladies and gentlemen, for the highest attendance. And the next we have the star kid, and the award goes to Rishik. The star kid of the year, Rishik. Okay, he's absent. Moving on to our next award, it is the Healthy Food Habit Award, and the award goes to Ivy. And the award is awarded for the Healthy Food Habit. And the next award is the Cute Kid of the Year, and the award goes to Mohit. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mohit. He has been awarded for the Cute Kid, Mohit. Can we hear it for the Cute Kid on the stage? Thank you so very much. And the next award is for the Sparkling Kid of the Year, and the award goes to Tanishka. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Tanishka. She is the Sparkling Kid of the Year. Awarded for the Friendly Kid, and the award goes to Dhruti. Ladies and gentlemen, for the Friendly Kid award goes to Dhruti. We have Dhruti here. She has awarded for the Friendly Kid, and the next award is awarded for the Energetic Kid, and the award goes to Mayank. Mayank, he has been awarded for the Most Energetic Kid of the Year, and the next award is for the Most Obedient Student, and the award goes to Sahana, the Most Obedient Student of the Year, Sahana. And we also have Ralia, the Most Obedient Kid of the Year. Once again, Ralia. And we also have the Smart Kid of the Year, and the award goes to Mohammad Amin. Mohammad Amin. He is ready here. And the next set of awards. Coloring competition, first place goes to Adin. Adin. Coloring competition, the first place goes to Adin. The award goes to Sanvi, the winner of the basketball. Sanvi. Sanvi. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Sanvi. She's the first winner of the basketball. And the next award goes to Amrita Priya, and she has won the first place in the musical chair. Amrita Priya, musical chair, first place. And the next award is for the cricket player. He is Govind. We have Govind, the cricket player. Next category of award is for the cricket player. He is Govind. A big round of applause for our next Dhoni, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, put your hands together for this lovely kid. And the next award is for the first place banked in running race, and the award goes to Navnita. Navnita, absent. Okay, going on to the next one. We have the pencil race, and the award goes to Krupa. Krupa. And the next award is for the funny cap, and the award goes to Vishaka. Absent. Vishaka's father is present here. Yeah, we have it. Yeah, you can. And the award is given for him for the card making. One second, ma'am. I want Vishaka's parent to correct the Honest bro, thank you so very much. Parents of Vishaka, thank you. And the next place winner is Sai Charan for the fancy dress. Thank you so very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for the supporting parents, and the award goes to parents of Anik. Like you people here. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the supporting parent of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our supporting parent of the year. They are the parents of Anik and they are from UKG. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the supporting parent of the year. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much for doing the honors, man. Thank you so very much. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, so I request you to speak at least 2 to 3 words or 3 sentences of Hello Kids. How do you actually feel about the Hello Kids? We all know Hello Kids is a one-stop destination for everything because it has a different word within itself. So I want to know from your mouth, how did you feel about the Hello Kids, sir?
Myself, Anik's father. My son is studying in UKG in Hello Kids. So in Hello Kids, he's from nursery onwards, he is studying up to UKG. But I am very happy that I am putting my school in like that in school. So except this one, they are taking care in all activities, which physical activities as well as this study also. And at Meenakshi ma'am, especially I am telling thankful to you because she is telling everything to openly. If any, how to improve my child in study as well as any personal matter also, if anything is there, she is sharing with me. So I am very thankful to Hello Kids team, to teaching and non-teaching members. Thank you very much.
That was truly a beautiful words. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so very much. And next we have the parents of Irie for the best parents. Once again, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We have parents of Irie with us. We have parents of Irie. Of Mayank. We have the parents of Mayank. Parents of Irie here. Yeah, they want to get Irie. She's inside, yeah. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we have another parent with us. That is parents of Mayank as a best weekend homework. Because of their effort, the weekend homework is completed. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the parents of Mayank. Thank you so very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you so very much for doing the honors, man. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for Mrs. Jyoti with us. Thank you for doing the honors, man. Thank you so much. A very simple game. Very simple game. Get me a photograph of your wife or husband. Which should be the oldest photograph? Which should be the oldest photograph possible? Check it out. Black and white, well preferable. Black and white, well preferable. We have the first participant, I think so. Yes, we have the first participant. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Oldest photograph, ma'am? Oh my God. Can you just take it out? If you could do it. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Black and white photo with us. We have 2. Okay, 1 sec. How long is it?
1991.
Oh my God, it is 1991. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 1991. Okay, hold it. Come here. Come to center, sir. It's okay. Okay.
She was
No, I want your wife.
Yes.
Your wife, how long is it?
This was second year of our marriage.
Second year, so how long from now? 8 years, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. 8 years. Okay, one more.
This photo when she given me for proposal in 2001.
Oh my God, this was a photo given for a proposal. I think that requires a big round of applause.
After that she was like this.
Okay, after she,
Marriage she was like this.
okay, look at her expression. After marriage she was like this. Okay, and
Made her like this.
oh my God, ये तो before and after है. Okay, thank you so much. So how long is it? How long is it? Which is the oldest photo?
2001.
2001. Okay.
2003 we got married.
Okay.
And this is like I made it in 2007.
Okay, he made it in 2007. That was a beautiful sentence. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am, it was 1991. Come here, ma'am. Come in forward. Ladies, you have husband here? Sir, come here, sir, come here. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Oh my God. 1981. Do I need to tell you for a big round of applause? I need to hear a thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. अब तो बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ यार. 1966. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. मैं तो याद करता रहा कितने साल में बच्चा हूँ अभी. 1966 मतलब. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, a big round of applause for all the couples and for the photos here. But your wife is here. Your wife is here. Your wife.
No.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for 1981 and 1966. So, one word you have to tell about this female, this beautiful female. What would you like to tell, sir? One beautiful word about this female.
Very good.
Very good. Once again.
Yes, very good.
Okay. Now, what's her name? Sir?
Chandrasekhar.
So, what's her name?
Usha Devi.
Okay, I want you to tell Usha Devi, I love you, like this. Okay.
Usha Devi, I love you.
Oh my God. Sir, stay with us. How long you have been married, sir?
1981, February 9th.
1981. Mother still be 33 years, ladies and gentlemen. Still she has so much of love. I think that really requires a standing ovation because we need to follow something from these people. A standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen. A big standing ovation, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. And I must tell you, sir, such an energy on the stage, sir. Sir, I have to do only one thing, sir. Bow down my head for you, sir. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, मैं आपको 2 चॉकलेट दे रहा हूँ. एक गायत्री जी, what's her name? गायत्री, right? Sorry, her name. आपकी उषा देवी के लिए 1 चॉकलेट है. You have to give by your own hands. Okay, देखो ये सब proof है मेरे लिए. Okay, thank you so much, sir. And this for her too. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. You were a lovely participant with us. A big round of applause for all the lovely participants, ladies and gentlemen. To our next segment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, answer this question to me. Okay, they are ready with us. Okay, they are ready with another performance.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशिया सांसों तरारे चुपके गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के दिनों से चल बनाए आशिया चार दीवारें फिर भी झरोखे खिले बादलों के हो पर्दे शाखें हरी पंखा झले ना हो कोई टकरारे अरे मस्ती ठहरा के चले प्यार के सिक्कों से महीने का खर्चा चले